Hi guys, this is Carissa. Today I'm going to be making carrot dogs. And yes, I said carrot dogs. This is one of my favorite recipes. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, for this recipe, you'll be needing carrots of course, and a peeler, water or broth, liquid aminos or soy sauce, liquid smoke, maple syrup, A1 steak sauce, ketchup, garlic powder, and onion powder. You can use whatever you want, it's your preference, but this is what my mom has been using for years. So make it your recipe. Okay guys, I've already washed my hands, so let's start putting the ingredients in. First, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water. Now, 1 cup of soy sauce. Now, 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, maple syrup, A1 sauce, and ketchup. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I'm going to whisk it before transferring it into the pot. Okay guys, I have 6 peeled carrots that I'm going to add into the pot, then I'm going to pour in the mixture. I'm going to let these boil for 10 to 15 minutes until they're fork tender. Okay guys, the carrot dogs have been boiling for 10 minutes now. They aren't fork tender yet, but they are almost there. So we're gonna give them 5 more minutes. And by the way, it smells delicious in here. We'll be back. Okay guys, our carrot dogs are done and they smell absolutely delicious. It's lunchtime and I'm ready to eat. So I'm gonna plate these up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, let's dig in. It tastes delicious as always. This is definitely kid approved. I definitely like these carrot dogs. They are good as always. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you in the next video.